Are you tired of cluttered web pages full of ads and distractions? Want to focus on the content that matters the most? Well, you are in luck. In today's video, I'll show how to use the hidden reader mode feature to just do that. So let's start. First of all, open the Chrome browser on your computer. Then visit the website or page you want to open in reader mode. Once the page loads up, click on the three-dot icon from the upper right corner of the screen. Next, hover over More Tools, and then click on Reader Mode from here. And you will find a separate section opening up. That's the reader mode. If you want, you can increase or decrease the size of the reading section by clicking on the bar here and dragging it to the left or right. You can also change the font, its size, the theme, etc. And you can even disable all the distracting links if you want. That's how you use the hidden reader mode feature in Google Chrome on your PC. If the video did the trick for you, smash that like button. Want more Chrome related tips and tricks? Subscribe to the channel because I've got tons more coming. As always, thanks for watching and I'll catch you in the next one.